Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And also I am feeling much better with Stacy. Stacy is like a true friend to me. Okay, say hi, Stacy.
Hi.
Okay, today we are playing Piggy Book 2. On the last Piggy Book 2, I don't know what happened, but something happened. And the map is called Alleys. I'm excited. Let's do Trader.
I'm scared of Trader. Come on. You're gonna die. Do bot.
Why?
I wanna win this round.
Same.
And I wanna win this.
We really want to win this round. So, yeah. And also, before this video, we did... Oh, okay, wait. Alright, detective, you better be right about her being here.
My invitation led me to this place. I'm sure he's here.
Cool.
It's starting. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, my chair. Oh,
Ow!
oh my gosh, I don't know what happened, but that happened. Ooh, I found the red key.
That was so fast.
I know, right?
Just started. Okay, let's go find the red key. There's nothing.
I think I know it. And also, before this video, we also, oh my gosh. We also, like, yeah, you know, play this.
Oh.
Ooh, I found the orange key. Take it. I have the red key.
I'll get it.
Quick.
Why am I so slow?
The orange key's here. Where is it? Oh.
We're back in here.
Someone already took it. That's why. We keep going there and here.
Please don't complain. We're not polite, Piggy. We're like struggling.
Okay, where do we go?
Oh, dude, nobody has come inside here. We need the green key. So where are you now?
I'm at the red key spot. I just unlocked the red key and we need a mop.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Piggy boo boo. Piggy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just.
We had so many times and you died.
I know.
How dare you?
I just want to save your life when you were saving my life and I died. And you died at me. Close the door.
And I'm about to die. I got the hot.
Okay, quick. Quick.
It's so slow.
What? Just go already. Ooh, a code.
Then the sweetness. You will regret what you will regret. Where's the police anyway?
It's at the spot where we spawn, I think.
I found another battery.
Not now, Stacy. Just give the police the battery first, and then you can take that other battery.
You will regret.
He is like, yeah, let's
Just walk faster, you stupid doggy.
Wow, you're so mean to the police. Oh, Stacy, run! Yeah.
That is how I do it.
And that you die. Ooh, the code is 7. Stacy! Oh my gosh, the code is 7. Go back to the spot where you get the battery.
Okay. Wait. I don't know where the spot is.
Oh my god, you just went there. Okay, so the first code is 7. Yeah, someone already did it, so you don't need to.
I don't know to read, so I missed read.
Okay.
You know, guys, this is hard to play when you're playing without friends.
Yeah. Guys, we'll be right back.
Willow,
So guys,
food and supporting supplies for the city.
Okay. Well,
Open it. We won. I'm trying to feed my family, please. You know the laws will unsolved.
Stacy, don't spoil it.
No.
Okay. So guys, Stacy won, and this is me. Look at me. Ooh, look at me. I am so cute.
You better do that. Thank you.
Ooh, this girl having escape. Come on, escape, girl. It's escape. I think she's new. Cause girl. Oh, yeah. Okay, go. Ooh, what is
Actually, Willow and Rush are dating.
what? Oh,
Yes.
okay.
I saw it in Lucky Box.
So guys, I also want to win. Oh, not again. Okay, Stacy. Click play. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I need to go eat lunch. I need to go now.
Okay.
Send that video.
Okay, bye. Bye. So I guess I'm gonna be the only one playing myself, and hopefully I win. So, bot. I like bot. I like a bot. I like a bot. I like a bot. I like a bot. Okay. No, don't play her. Please don't meet me. Please don't meet me. I really want to win. Yes, good. Kylie Teddy's is selected as piggy. Okay. Let's read this piece. Alright, detective. Oh my gosh. You better be right about her being here. My investigation lead me place. I'm sure she's here. Lead me to this place. I'm sure she's here. So I guess Rash is actually a girl. Cause like, oh my gosh, not again. Cause the police officer said her. So her is a girl. So girl means it's a she. If it's a she, it's a her. If it's a her, she's a girl. Okay. Ow. Ooh, I found the orange K. Ooh, it's in front of me. Yes, I already found the scissors. I am the best. Say who is the best. You heard me, I am the best. Oh! Oh! Rash! How dare you! I thought I was gonna die. And you know, I have the scissors, so I don't wanna die. Ooh, here. I don't know what did I just do, but I just sound like a weird girl. You can take this. Ho, 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 ho. Bruh. Did he die? I think so. Ha! I didn't saw him. Well, guys, if you want a part 2 of this, and yes, I have to. By the way, my heartbeat just pumped. Okay, if you want, oh my gosh, stop it, champ. If you want to see this part 2 with, I guess, with a squad, maybe. I still don't know if I should get out the squad or not, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want, and yeah, bye.